Imagine running a massive digital content factory for brands, analyzing trends, scripting, and distributing videos 24/7, without spending hours on manual work. In 2026, content creation for businesses has transformed into an automated ecosystem run by intelligent workflows. Traditional creators waste days staring at a blank screen looking for ideas. Today, smart AI automation agencies deploy agentic workflows using platforms like n8n.io and make.com. These autonomous systems instantly scan search engines, extract high-performing keywords, and feed them into advanced models like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 to outline optimized video scripts based on live market data. Let's look at a real-world case study. Step 1. The automation system monitors Google Trends and competitor metrics. Step 2. It filters the highest potential topics and pushes them directly into a neat Airtable dashboard for the client. Step 3. Once approved with one click, the system generates targeted SEO descriptions, hashtags, and schedules promotional short-form clips across Facebook and TikTok simultaneously. AI won't replace creators, but creators and businesses using automation will replace those who don't. Master these integration tools today to build a future-proof agency. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Is content management the ultimate automation niche in 2026?